Yo. Welcome to another live stream. As always, I am Tree City West here on TreeRoot Live. Check out the website at TreeRoot.City. And today we are streaming on Pump.fun over on the GPT-6.9 terminal coin page. Got some updates coming for GPT-6.9. Gonna do some vibe coding today. Try to make the website more mobile responsive, a little easier to use. Specifically on mobile. I think it works really well the way it's currently set up, but just want to make sure we're doing the mobile thing correct. And then also, we're going to talk about the Solana Seeker. So I got my Seeker here. A couple more promos announced today, so we'll go over the phone. I'll connect it up. Maybe we'll do a screen copy type thing. And then, yeah, we'll just check out some charts, hang out, see what's going on, take a look at Pump.fun. It was kind of fun last night going through the live streams and just chatting with other people that had nobody watching them, kind of like us. So let's just make sure we're live here. This says we're live, but why doesn't it show up? Are the servers cooked? Maybe it knows that I'm streaming from this machine or something. Does it know we're live? What's happening? It says we got 6 viewers, so I think we're okay. If you're out there, say something in the chat. So hey, there we are. Cool. So that's good. That's working. Let's go ahead and make sure we're good on YouTube. Then we'll get the link out on X. Same old routine. But yeah, looks good. Cool. Testing 1, 2. So that's good. That's working. Let's go ahead and awesome. Streaming section there. YouTube. Cool. Looking good over here. Shout out if you're watching on YouTube. And then let's get the stream out. Stream is live. Vibe coding, X1 blockchain, Pump.fun creators, and more. Perfect. Grab this guy. Awesome. All right, let me get the link over in the Telegram. Oops. So yeah, if you to get to the Telegram, you just head over to GPT-6.9.lol. We also have the meme generator working. So it basically just confirms you're a holder, and once you're holding the token, you're able to generate AI images and add text and kind of edit the image. It's pretty cool. It works really well. So we'll be talking about that today. Right now, it's not working on the mobile, so I want to take a look at that. Let me go ahead and get my cursor connected, and we'll start the stream off today with some vibe coding. So let me see. Cool. Send out a couple more links here before we really get this going. I need to get a link to the... we're good. Yeah. Awesome. Shout out Scotty. Thanks for the retweet. But right, so I just have to remember what the hell I was doing. So this is on one of my servers. Yeah, it's on this guy. So let me get connected here. Let me make sure there's no keys or passwords or anything crazy on the screen, and then we'll go ahead and let Claude do its thing. Ooh, it looks like we have an update for Cursor. I always like to do that. Okay, so we're in, and it's looking good. So let me just make sure. Of course, it's going to install the update now. Wagwan, what's up, Lita? Welcome, welcome. Chilling out here. I'm gonna try to make the GPT-6.9. So the website on desktop works perfectly. So yeah, just to demonstrate while Cursor's updating here. This is the site, so you can come over. It supports Phantom and Backpack. So I'm holding Root in this wallet. So as long as you're holding one of the 4 featured projects, and we'll update these as time passes. But right now we're featuring Root, Fire Chicken, Zend, and GPT-6.9. So if you're a holder of one of these, you can come over here, connect your wallet. So I'm getting access with my Root tokens, but I also have GPT-6.9 in this wallet. So either way, it works. Then once I get connected, I can generate a meme, and it takes me right over to the meme generator. And I can say something like generate a retro Jamaican Rasta wave CRT monitor terminal that has matrix green font and says GPT-6.9. Encode text. Retro wave. So then I can hit these buttons, add these little modifiers, then I hit generate, and it just sends off the prompt to the AI. So this is not using OpenAI. This is not using Claude. This is actually using a local solution with our own private. So you can actually request things like logos, like it'll do the Nike and Adidas logo. So yeah, so we just got this nice little, computer terminal GPT-6.9. So now I can take it down to the editor, and I can say, buy GPT-6.9. .lol. I can set the proper font and the color. What looks good with pink? We'll go black. Unbold it. It's pretty hard to read. It's like double bold. Try. Oh, it's because of the stroke. So if we make this white. Yeah, there we go. So you can make a little meme like that, come over here, download it, post it on Twitter, and it works well. It's just something for the holders, trying to add some value to the thing. So I'll go and post this over in the Telegram. I didn't even spell it right. It's supposed to say GPT. Let me fix that. So that's what's cool. So now I can come over here, I can delete the text, say buy at GPT-6.9.lol. GPT-6.9.lol now on Pump.fun. We can make it like the pump green, like that kind of seafoam green color. It's just that silly, it's that simple. You can download it, paste it over in the chat. And there we go. So very simple, that's what we got going on here. And this works, but it doesn't work on the mobile. So that's what we're going to fix real quick. So One thing I do like to do, my new favorite way of coding is using Claude. So Claude code just makes it so easy. You literally, it's so I'm SSH'd into the server, remotely connected to the web server. I have access to all the files, and I can just spin up Claude. Oops. It's in the root. So now we're in Claude code, and I can actually resume our previous conversation if I wanted to, but I actually want to start fresh. So I'm just going to start simple, review the current project. It works great. No issues at all other than mobile. There is basically no mobile responsiveness. The menu and wallet connect buttons do nothing. Links aren't clickable, and it's a huge mess on mobile. Please review the project and add mobile responsiveness without changing anything about regarding desktop responsiveness. So hopefully this fixes our mobile situation. You know, try to one-shot some text here, but we'll see what happens. It's gonna go through. It's gonna search the project. It's gonna. Oh no, we're out of credits. Let me go add $10 real quick. That's funny. Motherfucker. This is what happens when you're addicted to AI and vibe coding. Always add API credits. It says I have negative 86 cents. All right. So just waiting for this to go through. All right, our credits are refilled. Try again. So it's going to review the project, add mobile responsiveness without affecting desktop functionality. We'll start by examining the current code base structure and identifying the mobile responsive issues. So very basic. I mean, now we just sit here and watch. We can go make some memes. Let's check on the Vast account that's hosting the GPUs. Yeah, so we've only spent less than $40, and we've generated hundreds of memes. We're using a 5060 Ti with 16 gigs of RAM. I like the 5060 Ti because it's cheap, but it also has the Blackwell, and it's also 16 gigs of RAM, so it has that extra juice. You know, it can churn out these images in like 5 to 6 seconds with Flux.1. So it's finding the components and updating them. So I should be careful. Also notice we are hosting multiple websites with Nginx, so we need to make sure we build and copy when we are ready. Cool. Yeah, so this is, to me, this is what vibe coding is. So I'm, you know, connected to my server, you know, making some live changes while we're streaming, you know, just listening to music. I'm not really thinking too hard. You know, I should be focused on the code and what it's doing, but I'm just vibing out, letting it do its thing, and then we'll test it and make sure it's working. turn on the AI server next to me. It's actually been turned off all day. Let me check something here. Okay, cool. Yeah, shout out the 8 watchers on GPT-6.9. So we got to get this thing bonded, guys. Let's go. We're currently sitting at 17K market cap. I'm just updating the website to make it a little easier to use on mobile. You know, it's pretty difficult, but right now it works really well. If you're a holder of the coin or one of the featured projects, you can come over here, use the meme generator, you know, add some text, make it fun. Works really well. Also, the chat is down, so this is something we do got to fix. So I'll also fix that today. Make sure we're all good there. But yeah, I mean, it's doing its thing. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. You know, we just got to get it bonded. We were so close. We got all the way up to 42K, and then, you know, we just had a couple bad actors in the community, which thank God they're gone. But yeah, currently at 17K market cap. Using all the creator holdings we get to put right back in. That's why you see all the dev buys on the chart. And yeah. Check on cursor. How's Claude doing? Let me add better mobile styles and improve the homepage for mobile. Fix the wallet connect button. Updating the returns. Navigation header. Yeah, it's just doing its thing. That's what I like to see. It's great. So while that's going, we'll go ahead and pull up the page. So this is the official one, the one we're live streaming on right now. This is the official one, the one we're Damn, that guy sounds good. When is dev streaming again? Push it. Let's fucking go, guys. Zend it. So yeah, we're just chilling, you know, doing our thing. You can see we got all the way down under 10K, down to 9.3, and we've been bouncing back slowly, you know, starting to build an organic community of people chilling in the Telegram, people that just like to sit around and make memes, you know, like fucking with AI. We do have an AI chat bot in the Telegram that anybody can come use. Tell it to, you know, you use /imagine, and then you give it a prompt, and it creates whatever you want. So, you know, it's just part of the project, trying to add value. You know, it's just about the terminal. It's about the AI, making the memes. You know, GPT-6.9, that's what it's about. So definitely come check it out. Let's check on cursor here, see how we're doing. Let me check other components. The footer already has mobile responsiveness. All right, so it's running the build right now. Then once it's built, it's going to move it over to the web server, restart the web server, and then we should be able to test it. Should we test it on the Seeker? Why don't we do that? That's a good idea. So give me 1 second. Let me get the Seeker all connected here. I'm kind of salty. We've been playing that Sleepagachi game. Completely forgot to do it yesterday. Fucked my streak up. Not the end of the world, but you know. Let's see. Make sure we got the debug enabled. Cool. Now, give me 1 second just to get the phone connection. Once I get the phone connected, I'll be able to share the screen and we'll be able to test the website once. All right. It's getting ready to copy over to the web server. And that's good. Oh, here we go. Actually, let's do it this way. Perfect. You motherfucker. And here we are. All right, so let's let this finish. And then we will pull up the browser. Go and close a million fucking tabs right now. Yeah. What's good? What's good? Oh, I see some chats coming through. What up, Pimp Star 2? What up, Chuck? What up, Tazenian? Sounding better? I'm trying, man. I'm still pretty congested. I'm trying to hold back these coughs now that I think about it. But yeah, thank you, sir. Welcome, welcome. Cool. So this is what we've done. Navigation header. So we added a hamburger mobile. That's like the three lines. So we'll have a little mobile menu, improved touch experience, responsive layout, mobile specific styling, deployment. Site now has a much better mobile experience. So first, let's make sure it didn't fuck up the desktop experience. So we'll go ahead and give this the old Control R hard refresh. That looks good. Does this still work? Yeah, looks good. So now let's go ahead and pull up our seeker here. Ooh. So we got Google. We're going to type in GPT-69.lol, and this should be the new. Oh yeah, much better. Much, much better. Nice and organized. Perfect. I wonder how far can we get? So no. Yeah, that's not working. Google Meet. Okay, well, at least it looks better. It's not really meant for the mobile experience. It's weird because I have Phantom installed and I use it all the time on this phone. But that's okay. That works. Does the link to Pump.fun work? Yes, sir. It's awesome. Telegram. Yep. Yeah, this is where you can test out Drac. So if you come over to the Telegram, you can say, like, imagine a YouTube streamer using GPT-69 terminal. So we can actually come over here And using that /imagine, that activates the bot. And then EmojiDracBot will actually, and this is a bot that's running on some GPUs in my basement. He'll actually generate the picture and send it to the chat. So give it a second. It's running on some old 3060s. I think one of them's mining Zen blocks too. That's kind of funny. Uh-oh, timed out. YouTube. It's funny. Just a blank room with a weird shadow. This looks way cooler. Neon City Cyberpunk Cat Retro Wave. Yeah, that's with the 5060 Ti and a better workflow. So, what's up, Rolando? Welcome. We're just out here pumping GPT-6.9. We're up to a 17K market cap, so about halfway back to the all-time high, which is exciting. Doing the thing. But yeah. We just updated the site, so it's a little more mobile friendly. Let's try it. I wonder if it'll work. Let me try something here. Excuse me. I'm just checking to see if it'll actually work like within the within the wallet itself. So if I come in here, select the wallet, okay, it allows me to connect. So now I should be able to generate a meme. I forgot about this. I hid this in the desktop one. It asks for a donation, but you can skip that. Cool, so that works. And then I can come over here. Let's say, what's something? Imagine a CNN logo, but instead of CNN, it says GPT-6.9. And it's on a 1990s huge CRT television above a Nintendo and a VHS player. Retro wave pixel art. Now this might be too much, but let's see. It's probably just going to be a big one, huge. Okay, so yeah, it's generating down here on the bottom. Cool, so we fixed the mobile. Yeah, that's not what it's kind of what I figured it would do, but so now I can come down here. Oh, you can't move that. At least not on here. Not with the mouse. I bet you can with your finger. Cool, so that works. That's awesome. Let's well, yeah, so that's the little bit of vibe coding. Why don't we pivot over to the check out the seeker now, since we're already connected here. So I'm gonna head over to Twitter and I'm gonna check out the Solana mobile site, and I'm curious what I saw. There's a couple more promotions today, so these are some things I like to take advantage of. One of them was for like stable coins, so I might just do that with like $100 of stable coin just to participate. So they had the hackathon. They gave away the prizes for the hackathon. D-Play was the winner. So new Solana phones definitely changed how I use crypto. I'm extremely risk averse with tons of ledgers. Never hold too much money in a single wallet, let alone a hot wallet. Yeah. All right, so much about the hackathon. Jeez, this meeting could have been an email. So yeah, so this is something. So this Purina setup for Solana season. It's the featured app. Don't sleep on it. So we saw this yesterday. I really couldn't figure out what it was. I guess it's just like stable coin liquidity providing, and they're making their own stable coin. So by providing liquidity, you earn yield. And then by having the seeker badge, you get a bonus. So I did set this up yesterday while I was testing it. So I didn't add anything, but this is what this app looks like. It's basically just a connection to their website. It opens up in Chrome. But they do have, where did I see it? Maybe it's under profile. Oh yeah, here it is. So season 1 rewards, season 1 rewards coming soon. Points will be rolled out when the season starts. So they haven't even started their season 1, but we do have the Seeker Pioneer badge. So that's lit up, and then they have these 3 other badges: Starter Recruiter, Bronze Harvester, and then Bronze Titan. So these will come when the season. So they have 28 different badges. And I'm sure like they're trying to gamify the yield. So like the more badges you earn, the more of a multiplier. So like having the Seeker badge, we get like a 10% boost, you know, or I guess it's 10%. If you're getting 1x, then you get like 1.1x. That's what it says. But I don't necessarily want to just lock up, you know, you can convert your soul into the stable coin. And then you can invest the stable coin into their vaults, or basically liquidity pools. So like you can deposit that there, and I'm just not into this type of thing. I might do a little bit just to see if I can get an airdrop out of it, just for participating, but to me it seems pretty silly. I'm not really into it. So that was one of the featured dApps from Solana Mobile this week. Come get your APY and pedal boost with your Purina Seeker badge. Download the app. So yeah, it doesn't even say that you're getting it. They just kind of say, "Oh, you'll get it at the end of the season, whatever it is." You know, it doesn't. They don't really say. So it's like I don't really like that. But that's usually, you know, it's a risk. So hopefully they reward that risk. We're going back a couple days now. We see the Moonwalk Fitness. Got some Encrypt Sim, eSIM company doing discounts. Stork dApp. Download the Stork dApp and claim your airdrop. Why don't we do this one? So this is tweeted by the official. You'll see your airdrop notice. See people actually have the airdrop. I was able to get the airdrop for 20 cents. The fees were 22 cents. Not sure what this is about, but not worth it. That's funny, yeah. People complaining about the rent fee. Well, why don't we do this? Stork SMS. So let's pull up the Seeker here, and this is like the thing. So now we can go to our new dApp store where all the decentralized app live. And then, so yeah, here's the Purina app, the Moonwalk, Seed Vault, Jupiter. So this one was called Stork. Stork SMS. the Solana messaging service. 2.6. People are hating. They're like, a 20-cent airdrop. I paid $500 for this phone. TreeCityWest.seeker. Please install Soulflare or Phantom. I have both installed, actually. I get 1,000 Stork tokens, and I pay a small rent fee in Solana. Hey, we'll get in, we'll hold it. Maybe it'll be something later. Cool, we got our 1,000 Stork. So I imagine this is some kind of create your first NFT message. This is how I get drained. And you can pay with Stork. That's kind of cool. Anybody want a message? That's funny. So that was pretty cheesy, but so what's 1,000 Stork tokens hitting for? Let's pull up the seed vault. 10 cents. Yeah, so you have to make the account, which costs, basically the same. So, but we'll hold it. Maybe it'll 10x, maybe it'll 1,000x. Doubt it. But let's go do our Sleepagachi thing. I'm salty I missed a day. So they have any... That's a wrap on Pixel Gold Rush. Okay. Let me grab my address real quick. I don't even know how to do that, to be honest. That's funny. Oh, here it is. Got it. Interesting. I guess we're not in this. I don't know. Oh, it's a Pixels collaboration, so that's probably, yeah, don't know. A billion sleepers. So their main 3 priorities: improve the app, level the light experience, bring it on chain. So let's see, what are we doing? Claimed. All right. Sleep rewards, my favorite kind of rewards. Perfect. Tap on box 4 times. Let's go. Ooh. Margery. Koalor. Dang. Look at these guys. Shout out to Koalor. Legendary. We also got Marjorie. Awesome. Okay. Just go as far as I can go. A hundo? We're pushing a hundo. Wonton? Oh shit, he can star up. Three-star Wonton. Goose Goose. Damn, Marjorie can keep going. Koalor the Third. It's awesome. All right, so got some packs. All right, I think we're ready to play. Cleaned him up. Victory. This is so stupid. Want some darklings. Probably because your village sucks. So it says it's been only live for 3 weeks. Sleep, earn V sleep, repeat. Use it for 1 to 2 minutes a day. Invite your friends, colleagues, and even your mom. After 3 weeks, app goes online. Token generation event prep begins. Links and replies, download now. Don't sleep on this. Look at this dude, he's huge. May insomnia take me. This is gonna be a serious fight. Alright, Wonton. Is this a boss? Wasn't that serious, bruh. Stay hydrated. I must return to the order at once and report everything. They'll send senior mages to deal with this. Senior mages or senior? Yeah, it was senior. Senior mages. Senior mages. What a nightmare. Catch 'em all. Oh, damn. Move my big ass head out of the way. Lucky hour. Purple bean. It's the lean bean. So how far are we gonna get until we get turned around? I mean, we're not even close. We're whooping these dudes. So how we doing at the top? It says like our path or whatever. So are we okay? So we're just starting path 3. Okay, so this is when they're everywhere now. Good sleep equals good mood. Damn. That wasn't even close. What the fuck happened there? Did I only pick 2 guys? That was crazy. Oh no, yeah, they're level 93. We're starting to get up there now. Yeah. I just only picked 2 guys, so. Yeah. Oh no, I picked 2 again, god damn it. I'm about to get whooped. Damn, we might win with 2. That's just showing off. So yeah, we just turned on the Twitter button, the x.com stream. We have been streaming over on YouTube and Pump.fun, so definitely check us out. We're on the GPT-69 Pump.fun right now, streaming. So yeah, come buy the coin, use the meme generator. We just updated the website and tested it on mobile, so it's now working on mobile. So that's exciting. Definitely check that out. It's at gpt69.lol. Turn on the auto battle for a bit. Just kidding. Are we getting whooped already? I said, how long is this going to last? It's over already. Let's see. So can we upgrade? Yeah. Might be the max there, 114. No, kept going. See if we can get them all up there. Awesome. Okay. Gotta catch them all. So these are all fire, so if I pick a water guy, I might be better off. Sheesh. I whooped. Let's try the battle. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah, we're cruising now. Yep. I'm really not in the games, but I don't even know. I don't think I've linked my wallet to anything, so I might just be doing this for like no reason. But it does say earn V-Sleep. TGE prep begins. So they are doing a token of some sort. Token generation event. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Got him. Easy peasy. So while this is doing that, are there any new... Do you have a list of... Yep. Excuse me. Yeah, not really seeing any airdrops or anything quite yet. I mean, Seeker season started about a week ago. There's been the Moonwalk Fitness, and that's about it. But I don't have a watch, so I can't even participate in that. Alright, so... we tested out the Stork SMS. We got a airdrop, a 10-cent airdrop from them. Shout out to the Dino with the Gun guys. So we joined the Discord, and he's just like, yeah, I'm just a guy that like makes making games, and he's like, I had some buddies that said to put it in the Solana store, so I did. He's like, I don't know anything about crypto, but he's thinking about launching a token or something. That'd be pretty cool. So we have this Candy AI thing. I feel like I need to spend these credits so I can get the airdrop or whatever. Let's see what kind of video it can make. Oh, this is on the phone. Shit. A retro flickering 1980s terminal that says GPT-69, like MS-DOS ASCII logo. Dark hacker vibes. Dark hackler vibes. So this is gonna cost 100 diamonds, which is, I only have 190, but I'll receive 1,000 candies, which is gonna be some kind of airdrop, I imagine. They'll probably have the candy token. What about Candy AI? GPT-75. Yeah, let's share it. What are these guys called? Cherrybot? Candy. I don't know why. Yeah, Cherrybot's the Telegram thing. This is Candy. There we are. So that's just a little cheesy thing you can do with your seeker. So now if I look at my wallet, now I have 2,800 candies. You know, I don't really know. I made 2 images in one video. So you have to buy, it's kind of an interesting token generation event if you think about it. So you have to pay Sol to get these diamonds. So you know, you pay 0.128 to get 2,000 diamonds. And then you can take those diamonds and generate these little images and stuff. But when you generate the images, you earn candies, and it's kind of TBD. Earn 10x candies for each candy credit used for generation. Buy 5x candies for each candy credit purchased. Keep it clean. Receive candies for deleting unwanted images and videos. So it's like the loyalty hub, which just screams like token. I'm sure this is going to be a token of some sort. So even though, like, I just kind of want to come over here and, like, what's cool about this is we can actually combine it with the GPT-69. So let's do that real quick. Let's make a meme over here and then take it over there. I'll have to buy some more candies or whatever. I don't know why it shows the old React logo. So we're gonna say a dark hacker haven, center focused on a retro terminal glowing in the dark. It's a large CRT that says GPT-69 on the screen, similar to an MS-DOS ASCII logo of the 90s. That sounds cool. Then we'll do digital ghost matrix code. So then we're going to generate this image and then take this over to the Candy AI Studio, and then hopefully generate points for their airdrop by animating this. Yeah, that's cool. Let's try a little different. Let's remove these modifiers. Say digital retro. And it's just as anybody can come do this and just generate images, you know, for free. All you have to do is own the token. And that's all about. That's what GPT-6.9 is all about. It's too dark. So we removed in the dark. Nah, it's still too dark. Oh. 80s hacker haven. I don't know why I'm saying 80s. I just picture the big CRT monitors, like, hell yeah, GPT-6.9, let's go. GGT, nope. Let's just get rid of all that. Let's just say try to keep it simple. When you keep it simple, it hallucinates a little less. I can do this for hours. I just like fucking with this shit. There we go. That's solid. I like that. So we'll download. Oh, file downloads are not supported. You motherfucker. Alright, so we're gonna have to fix that bug. Try that again. So we can't save an image from the Phantom wallet. That's interesting. No. Hacker theme focused on screen that says GPT-6.9 and terminal like Matrix or Swordfish movie. Perfect. Okay, this could be cool. This could actually be cool. Let me see. Take a little screenshot. Cool. So it's just that easy. So we saved a screenshot of that. Now we can take this over to the Candy app. And I want to animate it, but I'm going to need a couple more of these. So let's buy... And this is all about, you know, this is how I'm participating in like the airdrop thing. So, you know, this is how I look at it. This is how they can like skirt the legal thing. Like, oh, we're using this actual product. So yeah, and then they're going to reward us for being loyal. So now we have credits. Now I can take this and select our GPT-6.9. Make sure we got... Oh, we can do image to image too. That's kind of cool. Image extend. Yeah, let's just do this. Animated hacker theme. Well, let's see what it does. I had to piss so bad. So while this runs, I'm gonna go take a leak real quick. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. So what happened? Oh God. Oh, that's creepy. Who the fuck is that? Did not expect that to happen. What the hell? That was weird. I'm afraid to even look what I have. Just spending the stuff. I mean, that's kind of cool. Hell yeah. So that's something we'll be doing. We'll just be making these little images. See, now we got 15,400 candies. So we'll just make these images and videos. We got 2,000 diamonds to spend. So that'll be fun. That's part of Seeker season, I guess. We got our Stork SMS. Did not want to really participate in the Purina. This one was interesting. I don't really understand. I've seen a lot of this one on social media, but I could not connect my wallet. Oh shit, is it gonna work this time? Hey. I couldn't get this. Hey, look at that. The wallet's connected now. That's awesome. We could play some of this then. Use the homie. I was playing with this guy last time. Let's just start with this. Oh shit, I remember this now. Gotta get the diamonds. Gotta get the diamonds, then you level shit up. I am not good at this. Oh god. Oh no. Yeah, I'm really bad at this. Let's try it with the... Oh god. Oh god. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, I am really bad. So I can use the keyboard then? If I can use the keyboard, then it might be a little different. Okay. It is working now. Buy more energy. What does this mean by energy? Psst. Nope. Get 200 metal. So is there coin out? Claim your degen reward. App.metal.fun. I was trying to get this far. I could not get this far the other day. Trading volume. So we bought the Game Pass for a couple dollars. Not gonna buy any energy, I'll just wait, but okay, that replenished our energy. So we get daily login. Gotta do some stuff in the game. So what is trading? You just have to trade? That's it? So if I do like... Okay. So yeah, I guess I need to do one of these. Should we buy some more stork? I feel like it's giving money away though. Everyone's gonna claim their airdrop and dump. Let's do it for the Maddle. No trading history. Yeah, it didn't give us the yeah, whatever. Little test transaction. Plus 0% speed. Okay. That's dangerous. You just have to do trading volume. So now if I can do... I didn't say I was out of energy in the app, motherfucker. Whatever. That's cool. I just hate the limit. It's kind of shitty. And they come and make you trade to like get your points back up. That's funny. So if I wanted to, I could play. Or pay to play, which sucks. But you do get Maddle, I guess. I think that's the point. It says my energy, though, is 23 out of 20. And that must be total. And then it's just drained right now. But yeah, I'm not paying for any of that. We're just testing it out. Cool scam. I know, right? It's Seeker season. What's Sunshot? Ivy Turtle. I think it's the same thing it said last time. Send guy. Yeah, this is that launch pad. Not fucking with it. Yeah, I mean that's about it. Should we go through this, through the stable coin and this Purina thing? Get USD star. So really, it's just kind of a lateral move, but unless their stablecoin collapses. Curious if it shows in Phantom. It's the, oh shit, it's the seed vault. Yeah, there it is. USD star. Which is funny because it's an asterisk. It's not a star. Then we got our stork. So yeah. Participating in Seeker season. Let's go. While streaming on Pump. That's funny. I'm like all in on Solana, I guess. Give me a list of all promotions for Solana Seeker season. I want to ask Grok that. Grok seems to do a bit better with So yeah, we had the Moonwalk Fitness. I did participate in the Helium Mobile, so I am now a subscriber there. Yeah. Looking for these. Uprock. Cool. Yeah, it's really just Moonwalk Fitness and Purina. Oh well. Was pumping trees, still got that cough. Yeah, a little bit. Trying to shake it off. What's up, Nomad? I think we're gonna wrap it up. I'm starting to get hungry. Need to go clear out these sinuses. But definitely appreciate you guys for coming. Come check out GPT-69, currently sitting at 16.8 market cap. Trying to get this thing bonded. We're a little under 50% of the way there. So hope you guys are along for the ride. We're going to continue to stream. But thanks for watching on YouTube and X, and shout out to everybody that came out. We'll be back tomorrow, but yeah, hope everybody has a good Monday night, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Hope you guys stay zen. Peace.